Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Noelle. And on this channel, we are taking a deeper dive into the stock market. I'm going to teach you how to build confidence with your investments by giving you the tips, the tricks that you need to become financially free. I'm all about helping you unlock financial freedom through the stocks. You're going to make smart investments. It's my first time sitting here talking directly to you about finances, and I couldn't be more excited. My goal is to make the stock market simple, approachable, yet you feel 100% confident and comfortable with your money. My name is Noelle, and I'm a woman in tech, an entrepreneur, and a stock market enthusiast who has made it. My mission is to simplify everyday investing for people like you and me. If you're ready to take control of your life, financial situation, and really discover your financial potential, hit the subscribe button and join me right now on this exciting journey. Many of us have big dreams, whether it's retiring early, funding our kids' education, or just living a life of financial freedom. But often we don't know where to start. Stocks is one of the most powerful tools to build wealth over time. And I'm here to show you it's not as hard as it seems or complicated as it seems. Before I dive into the stocks, let me tell you just a little bit more what you can expect from this channel. I'll be sharing insights about the stock market, covering specific companies, and teaching you strategies that work, like dividend investing, even advanced covered calls. But more importantly, I'll be breaking things down step by step so that you don't feel overwhelmed. I remember when I bought my first stock, I was nervous. It was the first step that I took building a life that I could only dream of at a time, but now I'm actually manifested and living today. So basically, if I can do it, you can do it too. And that's why I'm here, to guide you every step of the way. This channel is dedicated to the people, a community who wants to grow and who don't have the tools or resources and the knowledge given so easily to them. I want to reach those people before they give up. The people that want to grow and achieve financial freedom together. I'd love for you to drop a comment below. What is the first stock that you've ever purchased? What is one thing you're excited about learning in stocks? What is a stock? A stock is a purchase of a business. Purchasing a business, you are becoming part owner or a shareholder of that specific company. You are a fractional owner. In order to purchase a stock, you will need a brokerage account. I would say Robinhood or Charles Schwab. I use personally Charles Schwab brokerage account. I love Thinkorswim. It's something that is beautiful for me. Next, you would just deposit your money into that account and your liquid will begin to grow. You will also decide on how many shares you would want to purchase. So if you wanted to be a big spender and you wanted to buy more shares, it's optional. If you wanted to buy fractional shares, you definitely can as well. And then watch them accumulate over time. We live in a world where America is not as confident about where we're going economically. So it's best to financially be prepared for anything that could happen. Yes, you want to make your investments into your assets and be versatile. You don't want to just put all your eggs in one basket. However, you want to grow your wealth, accumulate your wealth, and be able to survive and live a great life that you deserve and that you work so hard for. Why do people buy stocks? Well, the reason to purchase a stock is to become an owner and successful. Why trade your time for hourly wage when you can be someone on the other end of the company receiving dividends instead? Because surely stocks can increase over time, and this can grow your wealth. In a volatile market such as today, you would strictly invest into mono stocks, that I like to call it, that are going to be as strong in any season of the world. Very strong and durable company. So whether the world is turning into AI, don't fear, because indeed your money is going to be wherever the world is current. So you have to pay close attention to the current events and what companies are going to withstand the toughest conditions in this age and the new age of AI to come. And we'll talk a little bit more about that as well on the next videos. We're going to also break these videos down, so definitely stick around because there's so much that I want to cover with you. All right, so now that we have taken the time to open our horizon to the stock market, we're now going to get a hands-on experience of what it's like to analyze a stock or a company. It's one of the tools that I use to track my stocks, analyze my stocks, and monitor them, make my initial investments, and just have an overall view. I usually don't use Robinhood or any phone at all when it comes to my stocks. I like to use my computer. So we're going to take a deeper dive into that program right now.
Hi everyone, so I'm back here just to show you guys a little walkthrough through Thinkorswim, the platform. This is a platform, a brokerage platform through Charles Schwab. So if you were to go to Charles Schwab website, they will offer you this to download it to your computer, or you could go online and utilize the account to also learn the stocks. So right now we have Ulta sitting at $435. And from what I can see, there's a support and resistance line at about $400. So if this was to ever go back down, it'll be a great time to purchase it at that price. And you can also set an alert for that. So let's say I wanted to set an alert for this, but I just want it to be 430. You know, it gives you the option to do so. And so as you guys can see, it's pretty simple. So we're going to look at Amazon as well. Sorry. So we're going to look at, so we have Apple here as well that we can see. And so we have Apple cost $258. Right now, this is a market value. But we do have a support and resistance line. But if we have a bigger, let's look at the past 3 years. So you could look at each company and you can see the process and how it became today's price. So this is a 3-year scope. So you could see there's a support and a resistance line here. Typically Apple costs about $220. So you would also just judge this as well for the intrinsic value. You always want to look for the stability, support and resistance line. You always want to look for the support and resistance line. So you do want to look at the support and resistance line as well of each stock. And that gives you the idea, okay, is there a chance that I could come in at a certain time and purchase this for lower value? And how much would that benefit me? You know, so you definitely can analyze that. So you want to build chart analysis through this process just by looking at these different stocks. And right now we have Tesla. We're looking at a larger scope since 2022 to today. Tesla is $464. So Tesla is $464 today, which is really good. So Tesla is really getting up there, guys. So if you wanted to purchase Tesla, I would say purchase this at whenever it has another dip. I would purchase this stock because right now it is 488. Was 488? It's almost $500 a stock. This is one of the stocks that you're going to have to really invest into if you want to experience the significant AI growth with this company. It's going to really cost you, but you could also trade. You know, trading is an option. And Meta is $607. basically Meta is Facebook and social media, Instagram, all those social media platforms. This is the value of one stock within a shareholder would pay about $607 for the stock for this company, which is very much a lot of money. But there is a support and resistance line here, and that means that the stock is not really going to go any further past this range from 580 to 640. So you would find the fair intrinsic value, and you would wait to purchase one share or 100 shares at that intrinsic value. Okay, so that does complete the walkthrough for today. And you also can get the news articles on here too, so it's really a good platform. It's really a great platform to use, to be honest with you guys. It's really a good platform.
If you found this video any type of inspiring or educational, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Grow your portfolio. Let's make our financial goals a reality, one step at a time. See you soon.